Configuring RDS Farm automated instant clone. Take the snapshot before configuration, right? So when you're planning to create automated instant clone, make sure the machine you are going to use, the golden image which is going to use, that have the snapshot. Instant, right? This is the one which we have created for instant automated instant application, right? So go here where it is instant. Let me power it off, shut down. Not needed to power it on, okay? But of course this full is needed to be power on because we are going to access the application from the full desktop. If it is shut down, how we are going to access the application? For this, it creates a new machine, and from there we can able to access the application. Now it is powered off. Now go to snapshot, take the snapshot and agent installed, ready to use. Great. It's done. Okay. Log into your Horizon console. Now here where we can go, firms, right? First we need to create a firms, right? What is this video all about? Configuring RDS firm automated instant clone. Okay, firms, we are here, firms. Okay, click on add automated firm. Okay, next, instant clone, next, put the ID, put the convenient name. Okay, like RDS apps instant form. Okay, leave the setting default, all of them. Leave the setting by default. So next, naming pattern we can put RDS apps instant. Okay, next, golden image, your Windows, this one, submit. Snapshot, I told you, right? The snapshot is required. Submit. Virtual machine location, Windows server, submit. Cluster, data store, submit. Okay, 2 CPU, 2 RAM, that's fine. Next, use clone preparation, that's okay. Next, finish, submit. Just open it in, go to summary and just check if whether it is doing something. Secondary image, publishing, right? Golden image, this one, snapshot, this one. So it will take little a while. Meanwhile, I can pause the video once it is about to complete. Okay, so what is going to happen when you see over here, what is happening? It's creating a template in the backend in vCenter. Go to vCenter, you see this one. Go to summary. It's configuring a template. So it's still running. Let's see how much percentage is completed. Refresh. 6, go to machine tab, RDS host, which all would be RDS host, the all server, which is going to create using this snapshot. Okay. You see, right? The machine is got created, the name which we have given, RDS app instant. Now go back to the Horizon console. Let me close this one full. refresh, you see, right? Customizing. So once you see this application, this status is available, meaning that you would able to configure your apps, this application. Okay, right now there is nothing because we have not yet configured the application. We have not yet published the application from the RDS form. So once it is done, once it will come in available stage, we are good to go with the next stage. It is now available. Okay, next, let's see you in next video, and from there we can publish the application. Thank you very much.